How to redeem Kobo gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can redeem a Kobo gift card using a desktop browser. Whether you have received a gift card from a friend, purchased one yourself, this tutorial will walk you through how to apply it to your Kobo account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, simply open your preferred web browser and in the address bar simply type www.kobo.com, or you can simply search for Kobo and click on the first link on the result page. And here in the Kobo, make sure that you are logged in with your account. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply go to the top right corner of the home page and just click on the gift card buttons. And this will take you to the gift card management page. So here on the new page, just click on redeem Kobo card and you'll now be taken to the page where you can enter your gift card pin. So find your PIN code on the back of your Kobo gift card if physical, or from your Gmail if digital. And here just type in the PIN code into the box carefully, and after that just click on submit to apply the balance to your account. And once confirmed, the value will be added to your Kobo account for future purchase. And that's it. That's how you can redeem Kobo gift card. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.